Everyone knows the feeling. You just want to leave the house, but in this video, a dog suddenly runs at you. What would you do? But you don't believe how the other people reacted when suddenly a dog ran towards them.
Fast as fuck, boy. Come get.